In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how to earn $20 minimum all for free without any initial investment. And if you watch this video till the end, I'm going to practically show you how to create a ebook cover like this one and even convert it to 3D like this one. So if all this interests you, kindly give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. On this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency, and this is actually what you can do even with your mobile phone. But I decided to use this laptop because it's going to be faster with a laptop, but you can actually do it with your mobile phone. And all the version of what I'm going to be showing you right now, I have also the mobile version of it, so you can ask in the comment section. And all the links to the website that I'm going to be mentioning, I'm going to drop it in the description of this video and in the comment section. So let's go to the practical right here. The website that I use is Fiverr. Fiverr is an online marketplace that you can come and display your skills. You can come write it here that I can create a book cover for you for $20, $50, $100. Like right here, if I just search for ebook cover, you can just search ebook cover. When you go around here, you can see this person is creating for $30, this person is creating for 20, this one 50, 75, 150, all for ebook cover. All right, you can come here and even search for logo. If you search for logo, you will see how much people are searching for a logo. Like people are charging for logo. This person $55, this one $15, this one $40, $30, even $200. There are people that are searching. This person is charging $80 for a logo. So all you need to do is position yourself, create a gig. A gig is what you do, and as a beginner on Fiverr, you can actually create up to 5 different gigs. You can say, okay, I'm a relationship expert. You can even put it that I can chat with you for 30 minutes and you pay me $10, $20. The only thing is that on Fiverr, you cannot charge less than $5 for a gig. So that means I came right here. As I come on Fiverr, I sign up, and then as a graphic designer, one of my gigs is I can create ebook cover for you for $20. Okay, so how do I now create the ebook cover? All I do is I go to Canva. Canva is a website where it has thousands of different templates, from ebook to logo, whatsoever you want to create. You can just search here, you will see a template that you can just change one thing or the other, and then you would make use of it. The template is already made. So like as I just search for ebook cover right here, it's giving me different templates, but it's not every template that is free. Like this one now you need to pay, but this one is free. So you make sure you check the one that has a crown or the right page. That means you have to pay. So but you can always search for free ones. Up until now, I have always been using free templates on Canva. So once you see the template that resonates with you, or with the topic or the title of the book that the person wants you to create cover for, you just click on it and it's going to bring you right here. So when it brings you right here, I'm going to show you how you can edit one thing or the other. Like this is the template that I've picked. So right here, let's assume I want to add a symbol or any sign or an element. All I'll do is I'll come to the left hand side right here and click on elements. You can type a particular word you are looking for. You can say YouTube logo, arrow, or whatever you are searching for. You can type it right here and search. So the moment I search for arrow, you see this is arrow. When you click on it, it's right here, but I don't want the color. I can just click right here to pick a particular color, and here it is. So I can rotate it. To rotate it, I'll just click right here so that it can rotate. But I just show you I don't need it. Let me just delete it. Let me minimize here and keep this my beautiful face down below. Okay, so the next thing I will show you is how to add a picture. Let's assume you want to add a picture right here. Okay, you can actually even come here for graphic. You can click here for photos, so that you can search photos on the internet. You can right here on the Canva. You can even click right here and type the word of the kind of picture you are looking for. But let's assume the person wants his or her own picture to appear right here. All you need to do is click on upload right here, and these are the pictures I've already uploaded right here. on Canva that I've used, so the ones you use will be appearing here. So what if you are new? How are you going to do it? You click on upload files right here. When you click on upload files, it's going to bring you to the picture, so you can scroll and pick a particular picture and click on open, but I don't want to add any picture. So once you upload it, it will appear here. You can click on the particular picture you uploaded. This is my beautiful birthday picture. Okay, you can rotate it, you can take it anywhere you want it, but I don't want it right here. Okay, I will just delete it. I don't need delete the image. I don't need the image. Okay, so and again, anything you do that you don't want to, maybe you don't want to delete or anything, you can just click this arrow to go back. You can click on it to go back. You can click on it to go back. So let me just delete this picture. I don't need the picture. So this, we are still back to square one. I'm just showing you different things. So let's assume I want a extra text. You can click this to duplicate so that you can use it by moving it up and down, or you can click right here this text. You can choose a particular heading, how you want the text to appear, and you start typing, but I don't need this either, so I'm going to equally delete it. So let's assume you are that person that is always saying, Ijapari, I'm not techie, I don't know how to do all this. You are saying you don't want to be adding all this that I'm talking about, you just want something simple. Yes, I still have something for you. Grab your chair and sit closer. Okay, so I will click on this right here to just change the title. So I will just click it. Let's assume the book title is A to Z of marketing. A to Z, right, of marketing, right? Let's assume it's A to Z of marketing. So right here is, you know, I don't like this font and the size is too small. I can just drag it right here or click on this plus sign to make it bigger. Okay, I can do it like this. I can adjust it here. There's an arrow. Let me just even leave it as A to Z of marketing. Okay, so this A to Z, I can adjust it this way so that it will be big. I can use the plus but sign. So let's say A to Z. So the of, let me just duplicate this one, bring it down here, edit it to make it off, but I want it to be tinier, so I can just, okay, I can add it the off here. Okay, or I can bring it here, let it be A to Z of marketing, and I can equally change the font or the color of this particular one. So let's assume I want to change the color to maybe black. Okay, and then I want to change the font, the style of the writing. I will just click on this arrow, drop down arrow right here. I can select, scroll down to pick a particular one that resonates with me most, maybe something stylish. Okay, if I click on it, you see the off has changed. So yes, A to Z of marketing. Then when we come right here, it's showing all these tiny writings and I don't need them. Maybe I just want to put by Ijapari Gang. So all I need to do, I can click on text right here, or I can just click on this marketing and then duplicate this marketing, drag it here, highlight it, and just type by Ijapari Yang. All right, but as you can see, it's white, so I need to change the font to be maybe black. So I will click on this A right here. It's going to give me different colors. I will just click on black, but I don't want the font and I want it to be on the same line. I will just click right here and drag. It's now in the same line. So let me change the font. I don't want that font. Let me change the font to this. Oh, I don't want this one. Let me click this. Okay, I don't still want that one. Okay, so yeah, let me go with this. So I can actually also change the size so that it will fit in to one line. So now that I change the size, I think I don't like that font again, so I can actually click and change again, change the font. I want something thicker. Okay, yeah, I think we are good to go. So you see, that means I have created this ebook cover, A to Z of Ijapari. So what next do I need to do is to download this. So I'll just click on this share right here, scroll down and click on download. Okay, download, and then I'll click on done, and then I'll click on download. Okay, so it's downloading. It's already downloading. Wow, yeah, it's right here. it has downloaded. So let me just minimize modern marketing cover, that's the name. Okay, and you can actually just click right here and add the name, so you can use the person's name, so that later when you want to change it to mockup, you can always access it. So how then do we convert it to something like this one? 3D like this one is the next thing we are going to do. Alright, so the next thing to convert it to 3D, all you need to do is to click on search for this 3D mockup. Okay, I'll drop the link in the description. If you search for 3D mockup cover creator, when you click on it, it's going to bring you right here, and it will tell you the steps you need to follow. DIY book design. Okay, you can now select, do you want the book to look like this, however you want your book cover to look like. I will just come right here and click, let's say I want it to look like this. So it's a single. If you want composite, if you click like this, that means you want it to look this way. But if you want single, you want it to look this way. So now that I have clicked single, I will click on next. So when you click on next, it's going to ask you to upload the book cover you want to convert to 3D. You can click on browse right here. Okay, so remember our book cover that we created, it was what? The name was mockup. So that's why I said it's always easier if you name it. Okay, modern mockup, right? Okay, yes. So I'll click on open right here, and it's coming. So it's going to like upload. So while it's coming up, I am creating a particular video. There's a content I want to create. After I read that the fastest growing type of small business currently is content creation, and there are millions of people all over the world that are earning 6 figures yearly being a content creator. So I decided that the next video I'm going to be creating is going to be on what YouTubers don't tell you about when it comes to starting a YouTube channel, because I am a living witness and I've seen that when it comes to content creation, the most reliable and successful platform to use to become a content creator is YouTube. All right, so, and it is right here. Okay, so if you are interested in knowing about that, please kindly comment making money with YouTube or starting a YouTube channel. Comment starting a YouTube channel. We're going to do a detailed video explaining to you some secrets that you don't know. That is, if you are interested in content creation and opening your YouTube channel, and I'll personally reply to you. So it is uploaded right here. I'm going to click on next. So as I click on next, it is coming up. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is to click either I want it in PNG or JPG. So I'll just click on JPG. So the next thing right here, I'm going to scroll down. Okay, and it's automatically being downloaded. So when I click right here, it's going to open, and voila, our 3D book cover has been created. Isn't that amazing? So thank you so much. I know this video is lengthy and I did not intend for it to be this lengthy. So if you are interested, or maybe all you have is your mobile phone and you want to access how to do all this with your mobile phone, you can drop a comment below or check the description. You will see, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye.